The SAP return to duty process is a crucial topic for truck drivers and motor carriers to understand. Staying compliant with federal regulations is a key responsibility in the transportation industry, and this process ensures safety for both drivers and the public. But what exactly does return to duty mean, and why is it so important? Simply put, the SAP return to duty process is a series of steps that a driver must complete after failing or refusing a drug or alcohol test. This process ensures that the driver is safe to return to work and is compliant with federal regulations. It's not just about ticking boxes, it's about ensuring safety on the road for everyone. The first step in this journey is the evaluation by a substance abuse professional. The SAP assesses the situation and recommends the necessary treatment or education. This could range from counseling sessions to more intensive rehabilitation programs, depending on the situation. Once the treatment is complete, the SAP conducts a follow-up evaluation. This is to ensure that the driver has successfully complied with the recommended plan. If all goes well, the driver is then eligible to undergo a return-to-duty test, which is a drug or alcohol test that must result in a negative outcome. But the process doesn't stop there. After returning to duty, the driver will be subject to a series of follow-up tests. These tests are unannounced and can occur at any time over a period of time specified by the SAP. This step ensures continued compliance and safety. Drivers who complete the SAP process often find that it not only reinstates their eligibility to drive, but also strengthens their understanding of personal accountability. The program is designed to offer tools and resources to help drivers avoid similar situations in the future, contributing to a safer and more professional work environment. For many drivers, SAP return to duty process can be overwhelming. Don't worry, we at FMCSA Registration.com are here to help. As the leading online service provider for the transportation industry, we specialize in assisting motor carriers, truck drivers, and brokers across the United States. Our expertise can help you stay on track with FMCSA registration compliance and make the process as smooth as possible. Visit us at FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, we at FMCSAregistration.com are your #1 resource for all things related to FMCSA registration compliance. Whether you're a motor carrier, truck driver, or broker, we've got you covered. Drive safe and see you next time.